This is a Toyota Yaris engine or Suzuki, so it's locked. Yeah, this is our cranky, and this is our piston, the piston, and this is our cranky. So I'm gonna just strip it out, check all the bearings, check all the rings, and see what the engine logs. Was the engine log to try to turn inside. See, it's not turning, so it's locked. So I'm gonna try and fix it. If we find a solution, we'll do another video and show you guys how to fix it if your engine is locked. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a good day. Thank you.